Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob. We are about 10 days before Christmas, and I got turkey here. I got two. This one is about 18 pounds. That one's about 16 pounds. And I'm going to smoke them. During Thanksgiving, we bought two smoked turkey, smoked by a local smoke shop. It looked great. I'll show you a picture of it. But it was so insipid. There was hardly any smoke flavor. That wasn't satisfactory. So we're gonna smoke our own turkey for Christmas this time. And I'm gonna do two. First of all, I'm going to just roast them in a regular oven until done. Then I'll smoke them tomorrow. Cold smoke, using my second generation cold smoker, which I will show you. First, I'm going to inject the chicken, the turkeys with chicken broth. So here's a 3/4 cup of salt. Here is almost a half cup of sugar. Almost half cup of sugar. About half as much as the salt. Here's the brine. I put 1 can of Swanson's chicken bouillon soup, and then 3/4 cups of salt, and less than half cup of sugar, dissolved. I'm going to start injecting. So this is how you do it. There you go. That's how you do it. You inject the whole turkey. Okay, the first bird is in the oven. I injected it. It's in the oven. Right now, I have it on 400 degree. Until it browns a little bit, then I'll turn it down to about 325, 300. Let's see. Right now it is 8 o'clock in the evening. We'll see how long it'll take. Okay. 3 hours later, the turkey is cooked. Internal temperature about 180. The other turkey is in the oven. Okay, this is the second turkey. Okay, here are the two roasted turkeys. Just come out of the refrigerator, cold. This one's 17 pounds. This one's 15 pounds. They are already thoroughly cooked, and I'm going to put them in the smoking chamber now. This is my smoke generator, made from King Grill? No, Kingsford charcoal starter. Get that off. Fill it with apple wood chunks, and I'm gonna put this lid over it like that. I'm gonna shield these, prevent smoke from escaping. So the turkeys are in. The bigger one in the bottom. You can see where the smoke's gonna come out, right in the middle. And here's my smoke generator, my new generation smoke generator. See how it works. Very simple to make. I made another video on how to make it, so you can refer to that one. I just drilled a new hole, 1/8 inch hole into the chamber. I'm gonna close this. Smoke is pouring out. I put a fan on the bottom to help the circulation. Pretty soon I'll turn the heat off. Let it go on its own. But whoa, lots of smoke. Whoa. More than enough. Turkey's still cold. This is cold. The tube is cold here. It's not even hot. Yeah, it's not even warm. Beautiful. Went on and bought some hot links and smoked sausage to smoke them after the turkey has been done. I mean, why waste good smoke? Look at the amount of smoke. Smells great. So that's just a variable speed fan. And a hot plate, I have it about 1/3 power. This is controlled by a rheostat there. Both are electric. I would say this smoker is very satisfactory. Puts out a lot of smoke. Of course, some smoke escapes, but that's okay. We got plenty here, see? Plenty. More than enough. You don't need really that much. So I have not even used half bag of this apple wood chunks. These you can buy anywhere, very cheap. I like apple wood. I think it gives the best flavor. Okay, time to take out the turkey. Still cold. Okay, put that in there. And I'll take out the other one. Just a minute. Turkeys are out. I put in the sausages. Let it smoke. Cool. 2 smoked turkeys done. Sausages are in the smoker. So adding a couple more chunks of wood for good measure. Cover it up. So the hot plate is necessary, especially one with power control. When you don't need it, you can turn it off. When the smoke is a little low, you can turn it up. Right now it's about halfway up. And the fan is also necessary, adds circulation, blow air into the wood, adds oxygen, and you can control. Of course, there'll be some leakage of smoke from the lid, but no problem. You still got a lot, plenty. So this is how I smoke Christmas turkey, well, Thanksgiving turkey and Christmas turkey, if you eat turkey on Christmas, and sausages, cold smoked sausages. Here are the 2 turkeys. We're gonna eat one. I'm gonna eat this one because this one doesn't look quite as good as this one. I charred a little bit of there last night when I cooked it. I'm gonna cut this in half, give it to 1/2 to my neighbor, and this one I'll take it to our daughter's place on Thanksgiving, on Christmas. Sausages are smoking. See the smoke coming out? So here's half of the bigger one. Here, the second turkey. One half of the bigger one we already given to our friend, our neighbor. Here are the sausages. Let's try it. Perfectly smoky. I love it. Thank you all for watching. This is how I smoke turkeys and sausages.